So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this non-protected Apple Watch to this fully protected watch here. So first of all, you get the watch band itself, you get a cover, and you get a wet wipe and dry, and then of course you get the instruction manual. To put it together is very simple. You take your watch, after you've taken it apart, you take your wet wipe, and you wipe it down, and then you take your dry cloth and you dry it, and you get your cover, you take your plastic off, and then you take this, you put it on like so, and then you get your watch band itself, and then you match again with the buttons. You put it in like so. You'll notice that the watch itself is made out of hard plastic and rubbery material. It is very rugged in nature. It feels solid and like it's gonna last a long time. Doesn't feel cheap at all. The cutout for your bezel button is perfect. It fits nicely. For the other side, it's very clickable and it fits nicely as well. It's perfect. On the other side, you have your something that looks like a button, but it's some nice decorations for it. On the back, you have the cutout for your sensor. The fit is very nice, very secure, very rugged looking, and it feels like my watch is fully protected. I feel that it's very comfortable, and you can tighten it up or loosen it up to whatever adjustment that you want to make it. So overall, what I would say is, if you want a nice, inexpensive watch, total watch band that fully protects your Apple Watch, then this is the one for you. Now, a link will be in the description below. Now, if you don't like this particular band, perhaps you might like to look at the other one up there somewhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.